This is the elevator at the Kalahari Resort in Wisconsin, Dells, Wisconsin. I'm just gonna sit in here. There are phones and tails from here. We're going up the floor. Shut the door. The door close button does work. If you look at that bird. And now we're on 4. This is elevator 3, which I'm not sure which one is elevator 1, but let's see if it works. Okay, we're just going to watch going down. Pretty nice. I mean, it's beautiful around here. The only thing is that it's just this one time I got stuck in it actually. I got stuck in this one. I got stuck on the first floor, the doors were not open. And I just pushed 2 and it went up there and the doors just opened. It was really weird. So I didn't try to go on this elevator so much, but 3 or 4, go down to 1, close the door. Basic. I like this elevator because it's an Otis. Otis is my favorite brand. I love the pictures. The floor is really nice. Those doors are pretty. And we're almost at the bottom. We're gonna watch it and send it up to see what it looks like. But yeah, okay. We're at 1. Send it up to 4. And there's the elevator. And there it is. And that's it.